Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Once you follow those instructions, and when I reach 6,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win the free money. So go ahead and click on the link, follow those instructions, and help me get to 6,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you this app that pays you $500 instantly to play free games. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, we're so close to 6,000 subscribers. Please, let's get there, guys. Let's get there before the end of June. I'm ready to give away this free money. So let's get there. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep sharing, looking at all my videos, hitting that like button. Please, guys, watch this video. Watch this video all the way to the very end, because I have a special bonus I want to share with you guys. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, grind family. Okay guys, I'm in the Google Play Store, and the name of this app is Gift Play. Free gift cards and rewards playing games. So let's just scroll down here and look at some of the screenshots. We pay for your time playing. So they're saying they pay for you to play games on here. So you'll be playing your favorite games. This one of their games that you're going to be playing right here. You're going to earn real gift cards, as you can see here. Google Play, Amazon, Apple gift cards. You can invite friends and earn even more coins. So that's what you're going to be doing, earning coins every time you play these games for free. And you can collect all badges, be the champion. So you'll be able to collect badges once you get to a certain level on playing these games. So let's just scroll down here and read a little bit more about this app. So it says here, do you like playing games? Do you want to earn money while playing games? Or are you looking for the app that pays you for playing games? Introducing Gift Play, the app that allows you to make money and earn gift cards by playing games. No purchase is necessary, no paying to win. So how does it work? It works like this. Discover and play new mobile games. Collect coins for playing games. The longer you play, the bigger your coins. Redeem your coins for amazing rewards. Invite your friends and earn more coins. Collect all the badges. So guys, all you got to do is play some games for free, collect the coins, and make this money, guys. Or if you want to get some gift cards, you can get Amazon, Google Play, and iTunes like I showed you earlier. But if you want to just get cash, you got to cash out through PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you need to go sign up at paypal.com. It's very easy to sign up, very fast. Come over here, start playing those games, and cash out through PayPal. Now, here are some of the type of games you're going to be playing. So it's going to have casual games, strategy, action, puzzle, and adventure arcade. So all those different type of games you're going to be playing on here. And like I said before, you're going to earn real money, guys. Real money. so you can earn real money, or if you just want to get the gift cards, you can do that. Now, let's just scroll down here and look at the rating and the reviews. Now, I always say that 4.0 on up means that it's a very good app. This is close to 4.0, so this is still a good app, guys. Still a good app. It's 3.9, but it's still a good app. Now, let's just read one of the reviews here. So this person right here named Lamb says, this is a great app if you're a fan of downloading apps, especially casino and strategy type games. They do pay though, like all earning apps. You need to be patient and give them a few days once you reach the requirements to see your reward in your account. So they're saying that it's going to take a few days for you to see that money in your account, guys. So you just got to be patient. So that's it, guys. That's all I'm going to say about this app. You can make some good money with this app. You just got to, if you love playing games, you just got to play a lot of these games and you can make hundreds of dollars. I'm telling you guys, you can make some good money with this app. So if you're ready to start with this app, go ahead and go to Google Play, free gift cards and rewards playing games on the Google Play Store. I'm sorry, iPhone users is not available in the App Store. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes on this video. That's all I ask, just 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this app. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, let me tell you about the special bonus. The special bonus is this. Type this word that's going to pop up on the screen right about now in the comment section. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I hit 6,000 subscribers. So type that in the comment section right now. Guys, one more thing I want to do. I want to do a shout out. I'm trying to do this every video. So what I'm going to do is give a shout out to this person. I'm going to pop their comment on the screen right about now. Thank you for your comment. Really appreciate it. Hope you're a subscriber. Keep watching my videos and keep sharing it. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks again for your support. Keep supporting me. Like I always say, this is not my channel. This is the Grind Family channel, and we're going to the top. And the only way we can go to the top is you guys keep watching these videos, keep sharing, keep hitting that like button so we can keep growing. One more thing before I go. Yes, one more thing. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these very, very interesting videos until my next one come out. Peace, and always have a prosperous day. Get your grind on.